Unveiling Recuperate, a guide to the healing word. Hello, language enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a word that's all about recovery and restoration. Recuperate. Whether it's regaining strength after an illness or getting back on your feet following a challenging event, recuperate is a word you'll want to have in your vocabulary toolkit. So sit back, relax, and let's get started on enriching your English with this versatile word. The word recuperate is a verb that's all about recovery. It comes from the Latin word recuperare, which means to recover. When you recuperate, you are healing or regaining what was lost. This can refer to physical health, financial stability, or any other area where restoration is needed. It's commonly used when talking about health, but its usage certainly isn't limited to that. When learning a new word, it's essential to know how to use it in context. Recuperate can be used in various situations. Here are a few examples to help you understand how to use it. 1. After an illness, she took a week off work to recuperate from the flu. 2. Financial loss, it took months to recuperate the losses from the investment. 3. Physical energy, I need to sit down and recuperate after that intense workout. As you can see, recuperate is a flexible word that can be adapted to many contexts where recovery is involved. Many English learners confuse recuperate with similar words like recover or rejuvenate. Although these words share related meanings, they are used differently. Here's a quick breakdown. Recover can be used for both regaining something lost and returning to normal health or feeling. Rejuvenate means to make someone feel or look young, healthy, or energetic again. Remember, recuperate is specifically about gaining back lost strength, health, or position, not just the general concept of improvement or restoration. Now, let's practice saying the word together. I'll say it, and then you'll repeat after me. Recuperate. Pause for the viewer to repeat. It may seem like a mouthful at first, but with practice, it'll roll off the tongue. Interestingly, recuperate isn't commonly found in idiomatic expressions, but it's still useful in a figurative sense. For instance, someone might say they need to recuperate after a long day, meaning they need to relax and regain their energy. There you have it. You've learned all about the word recuperate and how to use it correctly. Remember, learning a language is all about taking the time to understand and practice new words, so don't rush it. Recuperate your vocabulary at your own pace. Thank you for watching, and we hope this video helps you on your journey to become fluent in English. Until next time, keep practicing and stay curious.